I really like working with middle school and high school girls because I feel like I had a really good support system when I was that age. And so if I can offer that kind of opportunity to develop that confidence to young girls, that confidence will really carry through the rest of their lives. And it's one way that I can help make the world a better place.
I worked Girl Scout camp is because as a camper I always enjoyed it, so I wanted to be able to go back as a counselor and be able to have that impact on the girls.
It's something that I'm interested in. I love outdoors, I love camping, and I think backpacking kind of pushes you.
I chose this camp session because I really wanted to try something different, go into new places, just a new experience in general.
It's like really cool to see all the vegetation and the beautiful trees.
I really enjoy sleeping in the tents, seeing the stars.
The views that you see from the mountaintops, it's like, wow, like so beautiful. Like, I've never seen anything like it.
The most challenging thing was going up the hills. It's good to challenge yourself sometimes. It's a lot of hard work, but you feel achieved at the end.
We did a lot of hiking and map and compass work and how to find your way on a trail and how to set up a tent. For girls especially, they need to be exposed to all these activities.
A lot of girls had never even pitched a tent before, and they're out here pitching their own tent and hiking these trails. There's nothing holding them back.
Teaching them those lifelong skills helped not only me, but helped them be able to give themselves confidence in everyday life.
There's a lot of positive attitudes. Everyone's just been really cheerful, and it was really cool to see like that just joy on their faces and having this experience.
Having that support system within Girl Scouts throughout your whole life is something that all of our girls need. And having a sister there that's not your biological sister, but someone there to support you and be like, hey, I'm going through the same thing, is so important for these girls and for our future as women.
I was personally really excited that the Girl Scouts were reaching out to us, and so it was pretty cool to have the chance to expose younger girls to the activity that we really love.
This has been the best experience I've ever had, and I can't wait to do this next year. It's gonna be so fun.